Mining Magnets YouTube channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell if you want to get updates on the new product, content, and adventure videos. Today, we're going to be going over the unboxing, setup, and demonstration and use of the Frontier Sluice. What this thing's designed for is maximum portability and consistent result. There are a couple options: a battery and a tripod. Here's the hose, the Frontier Sluice. We've got a pump. It's actually got a tripod mount on the bottom. Now this pump's got a male plug-in, the hose has a female plug-in. So we're going to plug it in just like that. And then we're going to hook the pump to the hose. Now this is a little bit tight, so you're going to have to go around like this. It's nice and snug, but it fits. We're going to hook the hose up to the vortex breaker. So next thing I'm doing, I'm just going to do the same thing as I did before. Push it on there. It's pretty snug. Get it like so. Then we're going to line this plug up and plug it in right here, just like this. Now the tripod, you got to take this little thing off, open it up all the way, and it's got this little piece. And you slide it right over here, tighten it up. It's good and snug. Click it on in this direction. You're going to tighten it down. This battery, we're going to click it on to the sluice. Now you do to turn the sluice on is twist this knob, and you can hear the pump running. And what I recommend, if you're going to be running this, set this pump in a small bucket. So if it's going to be in the river, it's not going to be sucking sand and sediment off the bottom of the river. Okay guys, so we're going to pack this thing up and we're going to take it out to the field and we're going to demonstrate how we're going to use it. So we'll catch you on the next scene. Follow this back, you see all these tailings right here, goes around right here. So something laid all them rocks down in this area at some point, and this river cut through this area where they were at and left all the rocks kind of down here at the valley floor. So I'm going to go down and take a look at the tailings. Okay everybody, so this is the location that we're going to be setting up the Frontier Sluice. Not many people know about this area. Typically this is a dry creek. You can't prospect here most of the year, so since it's springtime or coming out of wintertime, we've got this seasonal stream that we're going to take advantage of. This stream does not have enough flow to use a river sluice, so we're going to use the battery-powered Frontier Sluice to give ourselves a little bit of an advantage. And I like to run as slow as possible. and I'm gonna just dump it in there. These rocks are sandy. I'm gonna put them right here where it's all muddy. I got this much I'm gonna run through the sluice. Fill the water. Get all the goop out. Maybe rinse it off a bit. Okay. Make sure we do this very carefully. We moved a lot of material here. I want to make sure to capture it all. Rinse everything down. Flip this thing inside out. Nothing left. Pour out the water. Drain this thing. Wow.
Wow, look at that.
So we've got, those are 3 decent sized pieces of gold. We got some flour gold here. There's another piece right here. Now that's what I'm talking about. So we didn't have a snuffer bottle, so this is going to be all the gold for the day. Now we already saw the, oh wow, I'm already starting to see gold show up. You see that? Can you see that in the camera? Some people say there's no gold in Idaho. If you guys ever want to meet up, do some panning, feel free to reach out. I'll bring you guys out here. That's some pretty good gold right there. So 0.440 grams of gold. Not bad.